We're celebrating because We Steamers is turning 3. Cheers to 3 years. What? You haven't heard of We Steamers?
Well, if you're a teacher, parent, or grandparent of young children, we invite you to tune in to We Steamers, our free educational series. Hi, I'm Heidi B. Romer, children's author and founder of STEAM-powered poetry videos.
And I'm Sheila Kerwin, early childhood consultant and host of We Steamers. At We Steamers, we offer hands-on learning opportunities for young children to explore STEAM concepts through poems, songs, videos, activities, books, and crafts, all based on STEAM concepts.
That's right. With one click, you can select from a wide variety of educational videos that focus on science, technology, engineering, art, and math. We Steamers is a one-of-a-kind parent-teacher resource that blends STEAM and poetry.
A marvelous learning match, Heidi, right?
Yes.
So come celebrate with us. Let us spark your child's interest in STEAM learning. Cheers to another year.
Happy birthday, We Steamers! Don't miss a single episode.
And subscribing is easy, so subscribe today.
Yay!